Alright, I've just arrived here at a business and they've got this huge sort of drainage grate, which is quite a good system. It's got a secondary kind of netting in it, but a little red belly black snake has fallen through and is now sitting within the netting. It's actually a really good design. I haven't seen that before, but we're going to get him out. So,
We'll go what way? Well, if we go this way towards me, I got it. It will.
So, just got to be careful here because they are a highly venomous species. Oh. I know, big scary man hanging over. I might just see if we go in the bag actually, rather than me falling in on top of him. Here we go. Here you come. Go in the bag. There's a nice bag there for you. Let's get around the bag. Come. Oh. You're right, there you go. No, stay in the bag please. Stay right there. There we go.
We saved them. How good is that? We saved them.